Hey gang, Mostafa here. Hope all is well and hope 2019 has been treating you well in the past month or so. So it's been minus 40 or almost minus 40 in Calgary, Alberta here in the past few days, and it's just been lovely to go outside and maybe go for a walk and enjoy the weather. So all joking aside, people set goals in January, and by now most of those people have probably forgotten about their goals. And a large portion of the business owner community don't even set goals to achieve. When I ask them, hey, where are you planning to go in 2019? Their response is, you know, we're just going to grow and we're looking for success. So if you don't set goals, you don't know where you're going. If you don't have goals, that gives you anxiety and frustration, and it reduces your self-esteem and self-confidence. But if you set goals and clear goals as to where you're going, how many people you need to help, and whatnot, it gives you confidence to achieve that goal because it's clear and it's something that is hopefully achievable. Now, once you set the goals, you need to set a plan and a roadmap to achieve the goal. Now, again, most people set goals, but they don't have an action plan or a roadmap to get them from where they are to where they want to go. So you've got to have a goal and then set up an action plan or a roadmap, a step-by-step process to get you there to allow you to achieve your goals. Now, you set your goals, you create a plan, you need to start executing the plan. Again, most business owners, when they create a goal and create an action plan, they don't execute the plan. So what happens is the plan is sitting there on a shelf or on your computer collecting dust, and once you don't execute it, nothing happens, and you don't know if that plan is going to work or not and whether you need to adjust it or not. Even a bad plan is better than no plan, right? And as Henry Ford said, failing to plan is planning to fail. So you got to have goals, have a plan and a roadmap to get you there, and then start executing the plan religiously to help you get to your goals. So to help you with that, I'd like to offer a free 90-day planning and strategy session to create a step-by-step roadmap and an action plan to help you go from where you are to your goal in 90 days. And we break our year-long goals into 90-day chunks so it's easier to get done and easier to achieve. This is usually offered at $500. It's going to take 2 hours. So we're going to need 2 hours of your time to create a plan for you. And it is absolutely free, no strings attached, no obligations, no hidden fees or costs. There's no $20 shipping and handling fee and all of that. So if you're interested and if you're 110% committed, 110% committed to growing your business and taking it to the next level, send me a message and tell me, Mostafa, I want that 90-day planning session, and I'll send you the link, and we'll get it started and go from there. Mostafa Hosseini, I look forward to working with you on your 90-day planning session, and I hope you have a great day and a great week. Bye now.